Okay, this is a follow-up to my other previous transformer video. I'm still working on with this transformer. This time I'm going to figure out the voltages of these windings. I'm going to do that using this Variac. This is about the safest way I've determined to do this. Does need a little math, but it's been really good luck for me. And I think this is about the safest way you could do this, especially with unknown voltages and windings and stuff. I have some ideas of this one because I took it out of there. I believe this is the power supply input, but I don't really know for sure, so this will help me find out. My notes I recorded that I'm putting 2 volts into the transformer out of the Variac, and these pins are linked here and here, so I record those. And previously in the other video I showed how to map the windings. So I'm going to turn on the Variac. I have one winding hooked up to my meter. And then I'm going to find the other part of that winding. That shows I have 5.5 volts. This one shows I have about 10 or 12 volts. So I'm going to record that. I'm going to say 10 to 9 equals, what did I say it was, 5 volts? Yeah, about 5 volts nominal. And pins 8 to 10, I have about 11 to 12 volts. Next, I'm gonna check this other winding on the side here. That shows I have nothing right now. Double check the connection, still shows I have nothing. So that tells me that's probably a step down winding. My voltage isn't high enough yet. Before I do that though, I'm going to check this other winding. And I don't have enough there yet. So I'm going to have to turn up the Variac a little bit. I'm going to try and go to 4 volts. See if I get anything. Still nothing. So I'm going to go up to a little bit more. I think I'll go up to about 10 volts. This is where you gotta be careful because I don't know what the output of that other one's gonna be right now. So now I'm getting a little bit of voltage, 0.2 volts. So I do know that those are step down windings. .3 volts there, so that one is a little bit bigger than the other one. And they're carefully hooked up. I don't think there's going to be much voltage here. But I'm going to check these again. And I have 25 volts there. And I'll probably have 50 volts there. Yep. So that's a step up winding. So that basically tells me I'm going to turn this off. And then if we do some math, this will tell me that 2 volt in equaled 5 V out of that one pin, or we can just basically double that at the end. So for every 2 volts in, I'm going to get 5 volts out. So 120 divided by 2 is 60. So 60 times 5 would be